This is case of cellulitis, and I will show you that. This is mixture of magnesium sulfate we use for dressing in cases of cellulitis or burns. This is glycerin we have to add to the magnesium sulfate crystals. We have to mix this mixture and keep it aside for 20 to 30 minutes. And we have to soak gauze pieces in this mixture to apply in the area of cellulitis or burns. In this case of cellulitis, you can see here how the skin got inflamed. There is redness, swelling, and you can see the blisters appearing here. We will apply these gauze pieces here. Okay. These are soaked magnesium sulfate glycerin gauze pieces. We have to apply on the area of cellulitis.